Here's something most people don't want to hear. Earning more money doesn't automatically make you wealthier. In fact, for many high earners, it quietly does the opposite. Across the US and Europe, millions of people are earning more than they ever have before. Bigger salaries, better job titles, more financial responsibility. On paper, everything looks like progress. The income goes up. The career moves forward. From the outside, it looks like success. But quietly, behind the scenes, real wealth doesn't follow. Not because people are irresponsible, not because they're bad with money. It happens because as income rises, life upgrades quietly follow. Not dramatically, not recklessly, just automatically. Better housing, nicer transportation, more convenience, more subscriptions, more small upgrades that feel reasonable at the time. Most of these choices don't feel like mistakes. They feel responsible. They feel earned. They feel like the natural reward for working harder. But over time, something invisible happens. The extra income gets absorbed, not into freedom, not into flexibility, but into higher fixed lifestyle costs. This is the quiet reason many high earners never build real wealth. Not because they don't earn enough, but because every raise quietly comes with a new normal. So even as income grows, financial pressure doesn't disappear. It just changes shape. And that's where the real problem begins. Let's slow this down and look at simple math. Not extreme numbers, just realistic ones. A raise comes in, maybe $400 or $600 extra a month after tax. On paper, that sounds meaningful. But in real life, that extra money usually finds a home very quickly. Slightly better housing, more convenience, a few upgrades that feel harmless. The key problem isn't spending. It's fixed spending, costs that don't go away next month, costs that become part of your permanent baseline. A small upgrade today doesn't feel big, but over 5 years, it quietly compounds. Not in your favor, in the system's favor. Psychologically, this is powerful. Your brain rewards comfort. It rewards ease. If something makes life smoother, your brain labels it as progress. This is why high earners often fall into this trap faster. They can afford more upgrades, so more of their future income gets quietly pre-sold. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more calm, honest conversations about money and real life.